Hello everyone, we are going to make something attractive against coronavirus, the antiviral masks. You can protect yourself with this type of masks against coronavirus and you can make it at home yourself. Let's do it. What we need to do this project at home. Two of these typical surgical masks that you can buy it at pharmacy. These silver nanoparticles with the concentration of 4000 ppms and the particle diameter of about 3 to 8 nanometers, the colloidal one that well dispersed in water, the 5% vinegar to lowering the pH of the outer layer of mask, and distilled water about 292.5 milliliters of the water, distilled water, and the last, an injection tube. At the first stage, we should make 100 ppm nanosilver particles solution. For this reason, we should pour about 7.5 milliliters of the nanosilver colloidal solution into 292.5 milliliters of the water. I do it with this injection tube. Yes. 5 milliliters and another 2.5 milliliters of the nanosilver particles injected into the water, and you can mix it with a glass rod. I'm using a useless thermometer for this reason. After making a uniform solution of the silver nanoparticles, you are ready to dope the masks, one layers of the masks into the solution. Yes, dope it into the mask, into the solution, completely dope the mask into the nano silver solution. You have 100 ppm nano silver and let it for about 5 minutes. At the other stage, you should pour another layer of the mask into the vinegar, into the 5% vinegar. Okay? Pour the other mask and dope it. This is the deep doping method for impregnation of materials into a sheet, into network like the mask. Okay, let the solutions for about 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, bring the masks out of the solutions. Push them to rinse the water, to rinse the solutions from it. The mask with vinegar, and the other one with silver nanoparticles. The other mask. At this stage, you should put the mask at room temperature to dry, or you can facilitate this procedure using a dryer, a homemade dryer. So let it dry. After drying the masks, you can use them together as an antiviral mask, a two-layer mask. The outer layer contains vinegar, 5% vinegar, that have a low pH content. The low pH content of the mask disrupts the cell wall of the virus. And if the virus diffuses into the second layer that contains nanosilver, the silver nanoparticles will inhibit the activity of the virus by inhibition of the copying the RNA from the enzymes by the coronavirus. And you can use your two-layer mask to protect yourself against this virus. The information that is said here are from scientific reports that you can find them at Scholar Data. Thank you very much for watching our video. We will be back soon with a new DIY project. Do it yourself, and goodbye.